Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sazon, and today I'm making bourbon sweet potato casserole. For this recipe, we need bourbon, pumpkin pie spice, Irish butter, pure bourbon vanilla extract, ground allspice, ground cinnamon, ginger, ground nutmeg, and brown sugar. Now we have to boil our sweet potatoes, then put them in a bowl. Now we need to coat the sweet potatoes with bourbon. Now we need to add 1 tablespoon of pure bourbon vanilla extract. We need 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. We also need to add in 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. We need to add in 1 tablespoon of ground allspice. Add in 1 tablespoon of ginger. You can also add 1 tablespoon of ground nutmeg. Please add a quarter cup of brown sugar. Now stir the sweet potato mixture. Now we need to add melted Irish butter. Now we need to mash the sweet potatoes with a speed hand blender. We want our sweet potatoes to be smooth, not lumpy. Add 2/4 cups of heavy whip to the mixture to make this dish creamy. Now we stir the sweet potato mixture. I blend the sweet potato mixture to be sure that there's no lumps. Now we need to add 1 egg to this mixture to make the sweet potato casserole fluffy. Now we butter our pan and put in the sweet potatoes. After that, we add our oats, berries, and cherries to this mixture. Now we put our bourbon sweet potato casserole in a 400-degree oven for at least 35 minutes.